If you want to turn off your professional account on Instagram, here's how to switch it back to a personal account. Start by opening Instagram and going to your profile. Just tap your profile icon at the bottom right. Now tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. From here, go into Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find Account Type and Tools, then tap on it. Next, tap on Account Type. Here, you'll see the option that says Switch Account Type. Go ahead and tap on that. At the bottom, select Switch to Personal Account. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Just tap Switch back to confirm. And that's it. Your account is now back to a personal account. Quick tip. Once you switch back, you'll lose access to professional tools like Insights, Ads, and Analytics. But you'll keep all your posts, followers, and messages.